Hey there, Glam Fam. Welcome to another episode of Lumos Knox Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this wallet pattern out of a paper bag. So here's what I'm going to use for my wallet pattern. I'm going to use a paper bag as usual because, you know, I like to recycle in this house. So I'm going to use a Sharpie and an 18-inch ruler. And this is actually... This ruler here is going to help me with straight lines and actual precise measurements. And the Sharpie here is actually going to be helping me know where to cut. And then after this, well, like I said, I upcycle. So this will also be helpful. And as you can tell, I've been shopping a lot on Amazon these days. And with the winter storm that we have been having, I've been doing that a lot. So you don't want to hear me rambling on. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start drafting this pattern and we're going to get started. So now we have the first part of the wallet pattern, which is traced onto this paper bag. This is approximately 9 inches by 5 inches. And I have labeled it to where it is 2 inner and 2 outer. And the next part, I will be doing the interfacing part. So our next measurement right here, we're doing the interfacing for the wallet body, which is going to be around 7.5 to 3.5. The inner part of it, this is going to be 8 by 4. And the outer part is going to be 9 by 5. Now you notice that the interfacing for the wallet body and this here has some, the dotted lines. The dotted lines are going to be the seam allowance. Now for the interfacing for the wallet body, we don't need any of that because that is just going to go straight on to this part once I cut the pattern out. So now the next part we are going to be doing is for the pockets. So now we have this measurement for the pockets, which is around 5 inches by 19 inches. Ignore this part up here. That was where I screwed up on the measurements of the pockets. So it should be aligning with this and this. And the interfacing is like a whole different story. So anyway, we got that, and we got that. So we get the tab right here, which is 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. We also have the tab interfacing, which is also going to be 2 1/4, or well, I think it's going to be like 3 inches by 3 inches. And this should also be stabilized. So now I'm going to be cutting all the pieces out. I'm going to show you what they all look like. So here are the pieces all cut out. We're starting with the wallet body. Then we're starting with the interfacing, which fits perfectly within those lines. I had to add like another 1/4 inch just in case to the interfacing. We also have the pocket. Now, I know this piece is long, but you'll understand why it is so long in part 2 of this video. We also have the tab right here. And we also have the tab interfacing, which also fits within this parameter. And so that is it on how I made a wallet pattern from a paper bag. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, please hit the bell and get notifications as to when I will put a new video up. Also, you can find me on Patreon, Facebook, and Instagram, as well as TikTok at Lumos Knox Designs. Also, I will be opening up my Etsy store very soon. So if you want some information on that, I will be keeping you updated as I do a new video every week. So anyway, thanks for watching another episode of Lumos Knox Designs. Remember, just because it's cold and it's snowy out, do something nice for yourself today, like take a bath, read a book, watch a funny show, maybe fix one of your favorite foods. And until next week, be sure to take care of yourself, and I'll see you next week.